Your iPhone 14 is a powerful device that keeps you connected and productive throughout the day. However, encountering a slow charging issue can be frustrating, especially when you need your phone to be fully charged quickly. In this video, we will show you what to do if your iPhone 14 is charging so slow. First solution, check the charging cable and power adapter. The first step in resolving a slow charging issue is to inspect your charging cable and power adapter. Ensure that there are no visible signs of damage such as frayed wires or bent connectors. Try using a different charging cable and power adapter to eliminate the possibility of a faulty accessory causing the problem. Aside from that, you can also try using a different charger, especially the one that you know is capable of fast charging. Better yet, if you have a MacBook, its power adapter can be used to charge your iPhone. Second solution, clean the charging port. Over time, dust, lint, and debris can accumulate in the charging port, obstructing the connection between the cable and your iPhone. Carefully inspect the charging port and use a small, clean brush or a can of compressed air to remove any debris gently. Be cautious not to damage the port while cleaning. After cleaning it, try to see if your iPhone is now charging fast. Third solution, restart your iPhone. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve minor software glitches that may be causing the slow charging issue. So, press and hold the power button and either of the volume keys until the slide to power off option appears. Slide to power off and then wait a few seconds. After that, press and hold the power button again until the Apple logo appears, and allow your iPhone 14 to continue booting up. Check if the charging speed improves after the restart. Fourth solution, update the firmware. Keeping your iPhone's operating system up to date is essential for optimal performance and bug fixes. Check if there is an iOS update available by going to Settings, then General, and selecting Software Update. If an update is available, follow the on-screen instructions to install it. The latest iOS version may contain improvements that can address charging-related issues. Fifth solution, reset all settings. If the previous steps have not resolved the slow charging problem, you can try resetting all settings on your iPhone. Note that this will not erase your data, but will reset your preferences and settings. To do it, go to Settings, then General, and select Reset or Transfer iPhone. Select Reset to view the options and then choose Reset All Settings and enter your passcode if prompted. Confirm the reset and wait until your device finishes the reboot. After that, test if the charging speed improves. If you have tried all the above steps and your iPhone 14 is still charging slowly, it may be necessary to seek assistance from Apple support or visit an authorized service center. We hope this guide can help you. Thanks for watching.